Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the new building bug. This frustrating issue can stop you from placing any new structures in your game world. It often arises after a significant update, making construction impossible. The only reliable method to resolve this involves a precise file deletion. Follow these steps carefully to get your building capabilities back on track and enjoy your game without interruption. To begin, you'll need to find your game's main installation folder. Once there, look for a subfolder typically labeled Data, and inside that, you'll find another folder called Cache. The crucial step is to locate and delete a specific file within this cache folder, Building Cache, DAT. Make sure to empty your recycle bin afterward to ensure it's fully removed. This action forces the game to regenerate a clean cache. Before you delete any files, it's always a good practice to back up your game's save files. This prevents any accidental data loss. Also, confirm that your game application is entirely closed. Deleting files while the game is running can cause further issues. For optimal results, consider restarting your computer after deleting the cache file. This ensures all temporary data is cleared and the system can properly reinitialize. After completing the previous steps, launch your game to verify that the building bug is finally resolved. You should now be able to place new structures and continue building without any of the previous frustrations. This method has proven to be the most effective solution for many players facing this specific issue. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup or living space. Enjoy your bug-free building experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.